What's good, fam? So today I want to show you how you can actually use your mobile phone to generate an image like this to look good, just like your regular picture, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this quickly. Either you're using Android or iPhone, it's going to work regardless, right? So stay tuned and let me show you. And if you also want me to teach you or show you how to remove this particular logo at the corner over here, then stay tuned to the end of the video and I'm going to show you right away. Okay, so we're going to use Google Gemini for this particular project. So what we're going to do is we tap on Google Gemini over here, and once the app loads, this is what you are going to see. Now, the thing that you want to do right now is to tap on create image, the first option over here. Once you tap on it, by the way, I'm going to leave out the prompts in the video description, so don't worry. What you're going to do is tap on a plus sign to select your picture that you want to use. So I'm going to select a random picture from my gallery right away. So I'm going to select this particular picture over here. Once I've selected it, I'll tap on add one. Good. So the picture has appeared over here. Now the next thing for me to do is to paste the prompt. So I'm going to leave the prompt in the video description or in the comment section. You can check it out and copy the prompt and use. So after pasting the prompts, I'll just hit on the send button over here. Then the whole process is going to start. If you want a prompt, if you want to read the prompt, this is it. Ultra realistic full body portrait of my photo, the one I've uploaded, this particular picture. So this can be your own picture that you upload, right? I saw this on Pinterest and I downloaded it actually. So with serious gaze set against a vibrant monochromatic orange studio background, dressed in a tailored bright orange suit with matching tie over, crisp white shirt paired with orange Nike sneakers, black swoosh white shoes. He lays casually at the corner of two orange walls. So yeah, it's basically it. So this is what you're gonna get. All right, this is what you're going to get at the end of the day. This is what you're going to get. So you tap on it, you can just tap on save and you save it. Now to the best part, if you want to actually take up this particular logo over here, it's very, very simple. You want to take off the logo so that nobody will know that you use Gemini to do this. It's very simple. Let's go and do that right away. So to do this, we are going to use Snapseed application, right? So I'm going to close here. Then I'll come to Snapseed over here, right? I'll open it. Once I open Snapseed, I'm going to tap on the plus sign over here. Then I load up the image I want to use. So let's say I want to use this particular image over here, right? This particular one. This is the one that I want to use. All I have to do is to just zoom in, use my two finger, zoom in like this, all right? Then I go all the way down to where the logo is. You can see the logo is at the corner over here. So I want to zoom in and go to the corner over there, right? Once I'm there, I'll just tap on tools. Over here, what you want to do is to select the healing tool, right? The reason why we have to zoom in much is that if you don't know, you don't zoom in and you just use the healing tool over here like this. You could see the whole thing messed up. It's no more in alignment, okay? You could see what happens. So let's undo all those things by tapping on the arrow over here. So let's undo. Good. So now once you zoom in perfectly like this, zoom in on the logo. All you need to do is to just, trace it out like this, brush over it, and boom, everything is gone. Now if you zoom out, you will see everything is just perfect. JJJ. Guys, it's interesting. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos regarding AI updates, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Right. So at the end of the day, I want you to be creative, productive, and make money. Yeah. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more video. Yeah. So before I go, if you want to save the picture from Snapseed, just tap on the check mark over here and go to export, and you can either tap on save export of whichever one that you want to use. Right. So I just saved it. I can view it in my gallery. I want to open this, and voila, this is it. There is no logo over here. All right. There is no logo at the bottom. You can see that clearly. All right. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. You can see how great the image is looking. All right.